we go. Take two. I thought I'd push the button. Happy Hump Day and Memorial Day weekend. Sunday morning.
Sunday morning. Good morning, everybody.
You know what Thursday was?
No.
It was the 21st of May. It was the vlog's 3rd year anniversary.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Well, I always forget everything, so.
Thanks to all our 321 subscribers. Who would have ever thought?
Right.
Yeah. Thanks,
Woo-hoo.
everyone, for watching. We appreciate it.
Yeah, we do.
I'm here.
You're there.
We wanted to go outside today.
But
these clouds are not expected to break. This is like really gloomy.
Tomorrow.
Until tomorrow, but it's 53 degrees, which is 20 degrees below what it normally is.
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to stay inside for a little bit more. We're gonna eat up the rest of the prosciutto di Parma. And the cheese, we're just going to have a repeat of the sandwich. Maybe toast the bread up.
It was really good.
It was good. We enjoyed it. I think maybe we'll try to cut it so that there's a little less bread. It was a lot of bread for me because I couldn't taste the meat and the cheese. And since we didn't do it yesterday, we'll make the Martha Stewart white cake. And I don't know what's wrong with this one. What's wrong with you? Do you want to play more? You're sitting by your duck. That means I want to play. But when I tried to play with you, he's been crying all morning. Want to say hello? Say hello, everybody. I think he smells it. We're toasting it today.
You'll be fine with that cheese, right?
Yeah, I don't need the extra cheese. Oh, look at that face. Andrew Eugene. Kitty, 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 kitty. This is my grandmother and I in Buenos Aires at a gaucho farm in 1986. And I have this in my kitchen so I can always remember Granny, as she instilled my love of cooking. The first thing I ever made was an angel food cake with her for my mom's birthday. I miss you, Granny. 35 minutes later and they are out of the oven. Pretty anxious to try these. I'm still not quite sure if I beat the egg whites long enough. There's that fine line, so oh well, we'll see. Hot.
Yum.
Now, I've made plenty of cakes in my day, but I've never made an actual true white cake from scratch, only a box. So Again, this was Martha Stewart's sheet cake recipe. So we'll see once they cool a little while longer. I didn't have the proper pan that she calls for. It was quite a large sheet pan. It was like 15 by 18. So I only have a 9 by 12 and then I broke it up between the smaller ones. So yeah, there we go. We're not gonna frost them. We're just gonna eat cake. Whoops. Well, I don't know. It doesn't look as white as I think it should look.
It's because of the lighting.
All right, you get first taste. Hold on.
Pretty good.
Yeah? There's just a little too much flour on the bottom that's stuck. All right. It tastes really good.
But
It's very dense. I'm not sure if it's because I didn't beat the egg whites quite enough, or the fact that we use gluten-free flour. It could be
either or.
It could be either or. But it's really tasty. The bottom just, I think it was the gluten-free flour. I'm sorry, my mouth's full. I buttered and floured the pan. The gluten-free flour didn't want to release from the bottom, so you could see a little bit of clumps. But it tastes pretty nice. Yeah, like I said, we're not going to frost it. We don't need the extra calories. It tastes good as it is. Cheers to Sunday. So happy anniversary to Ko-osh. Happy 3 years of vlogging. Yum.
Yum.
And I figured out why the cake isn't pure white. I remember reading if for, say, baking a wedding cake you want pure white, you should use colorless vanilla, which exists somewhere out there, but not in my home. So ours is just a little bit tingy of yellow, but it tastes really good. It just didn't have the texture, and I'm guessing it's because we use the gluten-free flour. But it's okay, it still tastes good.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. We hope you enjoy the rest of your Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah.
We hope everyone is staying safe, is able to at least see their loved ones on video calls and chats and Zoom and Teams and whatever you're using. Stay safe, everyone. And we're counting the days till we can go back to Disney. We miss you, Disney World.
Yeah, we do.
Ko-osh, everyone.
Ko-osh.
Bye.
Bye.